Alright, welcome back to the channel where we have everyday tips for everyday tech. Today we are going to learn how to turn on the LED flash for notifications. So what you'll do is unlock the iPhone and you'll want to navigate to your settings application here. And we will go to the general tab. Now from here you want to access the accessibility tab, and you will scroll down, and under hearing you will select LED flash for alerts, and you can turn it on there. And there's a separate option, flash on silent. Use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. So that's how you can turn on the LED flash from your camera's flash. Every time you get a text message or a phone call, you'll see a flash coming out of there. Right. Next, we will learn how to save even more storage space by removing pictures that were sent through text messaging. So we'll go to the general tab again. This time we'll select iPhone storage. Now, once it calculates your storage, you can then scroll down and see all the different applications and what amount of storage they've been taking up. So what we'll do is find messages, select that, and then you can review large attachments, or you can view specifically by photos, videos, gifts, stickers, and other, as well as top conversations. So we'll select photos, and this will have a list of all the photos you sent via text message. You can then hit edit and begin selecting each photo that you'd like to delete, and then you'll hit the garbage can icon here, and that'll allow you to permanently delete them from your phone. You can see the size of each file next to them, and if you tend to send a lot of photos via text message, you can see how it'll add up over time. It is a little bit of a process to get rid of the photos, but it will save you a lot of space in the long run. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so YouTube will notify you of the next release, and leave a like and a comment. I'd like to know if there's something specific I can cover for you. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have a good one.